I'm so excited to be here in the south side, the beautiful south side of San Antonio with our latest project at 1304 West Theo. What a great project, what a great property that fell into our hands and we're actively working on right now. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom bath. It's kind of the tale of two houses. One half of the house, there was some work that had already been done by the previous owner, but the other side of the house had really just kind of fallen into disrepair and it really didn't have a lot of vision or an idea of what it could be. We have decided to demo half of that property, which is what we did already. So when you look to my left, you're going to see that that whole side of the house has been completely demoed. We're working on the foundation today, and once the foundation is completed, we'll start work on a nice dining room area, a nice den area, and then a door back into the backyard to a already built slab for a patio. On the inside of the house, you're going to see a living room area. You're going to see bedrooms on the left-hand side, a master at the bath, and some bathrooms on the right-hand side. We're going to do something a little bit different with the elevations. We're going to have to raise the floor on the right-hand side, and to do that, we're going to have to lift the elevation, the roof of the house. So we'll have to create a new elevation on the top of the house to fit on this right-hand side. It gives it a whole new look. We'll put some new hardy plank around to it. Really, in essence, it's going to be a brand new home that we're going to be delivering to buyers here on the south side. I'm very excited about what you're going to see on this property. We're going to be moving very quickly on this property and just wanted to show you and give you an idea of where we are. We've already started, we've already been working on it. We just haven't had a chance to bring you the latest video update on this, but we are today. I think you're going to enjoy this home. It's at 1304 West Theo. They just redid the streets. It's in the heart of the south side, a beautiful home. Welcome and enjoy this property.